What's up, folks? It's your boy DT 2.0, and today we have a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and that oh so nice, ever since I saw it, burgundy. And I never had a burgundy phone before. Never even had a red phone before, so this will be kind of different for me. And I'm gonna do a size comparison, no in-depth review to my iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I have right here. And this is my daily driver. I am a quote-unquote mostly iPhone guy, but I do keep a steady stream of Samsungs in here. To be honest, the last Samsung phone I had in here, the Note 20, maybe even the Note 10. And I'm not counting the Galaxy Fold, right, as a phone, even though it is, but I'm not counting the Galaxy Fold. The actual phone, like this iPhone 13 Pro Max that I had was a long time ago, and it was the Note series before the Note 20, which I think is the Note 10 Ultra. So this was not a pre-release. Samsung, of course, me and my 4 subscribers, I don't have enough strength to get these early, so no. I bought this with my own money. I was just lucky enough to get this in early from T-Mobile, probably because they had a whole lot of orders going out, and I was one of the lucky ones to get ahead of the pack. So I'm just going to unbox this. Nothing dramatic. Do a size comparison. No big in-depth review. Just opening it up and seeing what it looks like, and then powering it on for the first time. We straight? Great. Let's get into it real quick. Okay, cool. I already cut the important stickers on the back that keeps it closed. As you can see, S22 Ultra. I won't show the serial number and all that, but as you can see, the color of the S is actually the color of the phone in the inside. And again, this is that burgundy. So let's go ahead and open it. I'll tell you right now, right, these unboxings are getting more and more, or less and less dramatic, because of the little amount of things you get in there. I remember Samsung used to give you the full load, right? Headphones, adapter, cable, the little dongle, so you can use it, so you can transfer information, which I expect to see in here, but we'll see. So let's go. All right, and there it is. And I could tell you right now, let's just put this on the side. It feels maybe a little bit lighter than the iPhone, but we'll put that to the side. See what we got under here. Jack. Samsung's getting like Apple, right? Hey, you got the phone, you got all of that old shit in your house, you can use them old cables and adapters. Stop playing. All right, and this is just the USB-C to USB-C cable. And man, is that all we get? Man. Oh, SIM ejector tool. I knew I was looking for something in there, but that's it. No dongle, no nothing, right? No nothing extra, no extra shit in here. Quick start guide, terms and conditions, and then quick start guide in a different language. Cool, we'll set that to the side, and then that just held the cable together. Put that over there. So here it is in all its glory, right? And hopefully that light ain't killing you. And you can see my mug in the reflection. But let's just peel this off the back. And I'm liking the way this looks, because one, it's different, right? The color is different, right? The way it feels is different. Take that off the front. I know I made that less dramatic, but this thing is pretty nice, and it looks heavy. It feels expensive, but it's still light, if that makes sense. Now the back is that matte glass, and then on the side it's the same color, stainless steel, but in stainless steel. So it's the same color but in stainless steel, and I'm loving it. And I thought I have some plastic on the side, and I don't. It feels like I do, and I'll probably find it later. Oh, there is plastic on there. If I can't get it off, then I'll just leave it on there for now, because I don't want to scratch up my phone. And they had a piece on there. I wonder if a machine put these things on, because my hand is not steady enough to not even put on a screen protector. All right, got that off. All right. Luckily, I got some sort of fingernails. All right, so here it is in all its glory. Samsung in the back. right? It's actually a little bit darker than what you see in my camera, because I'm looking at my camera right now, so it is a little bit darker, but I'm still loving it. I love the way the camera is, it's no bump. See, like the iPhone has a bump. The last S21, it had a bump in it. Now it's just made into the phone itself, so it made the phone a little bit thicker, but I'm loving it. Now, I've been a big Note fan for the longest, and I'm glad that they went back to that Note design, but didn't actually call it a Note, because if you look at the bottom here, right, the pen, it's black, but the tip obviously has to be the same color as the bottom, which is a nice touch, because they could have just kept it black and say you can't see it anyway, but they made the tip, you know, that same color burgundy. But I love the Note, and it feels pretty much the same. Little bit of resistance, not as smooth as I like. And that's just a rough test of it. So let's power this thing on and see if it blows my camera out, if it's charged up. If it's not, then we'll do some things. Boom. Man, this is my first time powering up a Samsung phone in a while. And I'm gonna try to have some fun with it. Put my other SIM card in here and then see what it feels like. You know, I bought a case for it, so I'll take it to the gym and do the damn thing. That was pretty smooth, right? And I can tell you right now, this screen is bright AF. It's probably blowing out my camera right now, but it is bright AF. Now, as far as size comparison, boom, look at that. All right, we have a little bit of, let's go ahead and stack them up like this. Just a little bit at the top. All right, a little bit more length on the Samsung, and you can see it better right there. As far as width, the iPhone is just a tad bit wider. All right, just a tad. Well, what feels like a tad bit wider, but at the same time, it feels the same width, because you can barely see. It looks like somebody standing in front of somebody else. But if I turn it around, you can kind of see the iPhone peeking out the side just a little bit. But outside of that, you know, they're pretty much, let's pull this up like this. Yeah, they're pretty much the same. All right, you can clearly see now the difference in screen size. Right off the bat, you know, you forget that iPhone has that what they say thin bezel, and it is thin compared to their past phones, but it's not as thin as the Samsung, which gives this obviously more screen area overall. And I can't wait to like pull up YouTube on that. So again, this is just a quick unboxing, and because there wasn't jack inside the box, this was quicker than I thought. But size comparison, weight, iPhone feels a little bit heavier. iPhone's a little bit wider than this, though this screen is still wider overall because of the thin bezels. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is obviously taller, and that's a good thing. And oh, we don't want to do that. Let's turn this off. You know, and you know, we'll see. Thanks for watching. This is your boy DD 2.0. Deuces.